Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone. All-ankle, ultra-tough, world Guinness record holder, IP69K water-resistant. Introducing our biggest battery yet, 8,300 million hours, 108 megapixel lossless capture camera with OIS, AI photo editing. Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good time to see you. Dodzare is Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0 in the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs moving up a little bit on the table. It was number 5 versus number 6. Very poor game in terms of quality, but Kaizer Chiefs are deserving winners. Junior Kanye, what did you think of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Justice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shabalala ngibulisa uBenedict Sovilakazi.
Yes, sir.
Bobo Bobzin.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa umntanela Sinamo.
Chucks.
Ngwana role yabathaka. Ngibulise uShane.
Yes, sir.
Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs. I'm sure lento le beba need more than anything. Grinding results. Yabo. We can't talk about beautiful football now because, truly speaking, in good enough to play beautiful football for now. But well done for my results. I'm surprised. Durban City number 1 to number 5.
Yeah, they were number 5.
That's how poor his Betway Premiership is. Absolutely. I need to be honest.
Absolutely. Number 5 that didn't even look like taking a shot at goal until they considered.
How many shots on target in Durban City? Team yabo it's disjointed. How there's no structure. Honestly, I need to be honest. Ngaphandle ukudisrespect ama-coach, how i-set up le defense, how many chances i-Kaizer Chiefs were created, allowing Kaizer Chiefs to dominate you. There's a lot of unknown players. Akunankinga uba nama-unknown players, but you need to proper scouting. You need a proper scouting unknown players. They need to be exceptional. It's not all about buying quality players. But team yabo, I don't understand why Gubene vice versa, whereby not that they're sitting outside. I don't understand for who. Hashming Tomingos, utam challenge ngaphandle. Bengifuna understand coach uthi umcala kanjani. Mahlangu, the guy from TS Galaxy, with his experience, umcala ngaphandle for what? I don't understand why. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi for players that you start with, very disappointing. I think Durban City, to tell the truth, Chiefs deserve to win the game. Though it was a boring game, it was like a trial. I need to be honest. Being at a trial, honestly. Yeah, it's like not even a friendly game trials. It's like teams they want to prove. But if I say team that deserve to win, it's Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, for sure.
Because they had so many ball possession. First half. But though now there was lack of movement, lack of creativity, a lot of decision making are wrong. If you can't perform, this is the right time whereby Melangabu raise the sandla boy. Once they bring quality players, we not want to play properly. I mean, this boy, how many chances he need? He graduated, we have development. He's from development. So there's no excuse from him. So decision making, first touch, taking players on as a attack, be better than other players. Also Tuba. Tuba, I would say, is much better because Tuba is more of a player now. I expect him, especially a player with good development. I graduated, we are lipola. It's basic. Mele kube into engamelanga kube into kumele bayifaka kibo. Mhlambe it's experience, that's all. Tuba end the place. I understand with ama coaches ke wona ngisengiya kiwo. Uqala ngoTuba central kule height yakuyo. Bengizo understand if he was skillful, very dynamic, I was going to space for himself. Why umdlalisa central? Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi because this guy lepo now umdlalisile is not to say it's one of the best whatever player, but sure. He's got a good technique, he's got a height. He can head, forehead ukambona uyakwazi ukuheada. Une height, une technique yakwazi ukukha ibhola. Coach bekumele iqale yena la. Second, I think first half nje.
Just on those two players before you go, Ndu and Utuba. What does that tell us about the people who develop at Chiefs? Because those are the products of Chiefs.
Yeah.
Notuba.
Yeah.
When you graduate, it means you are ready.
Yeah.
What does that say about the people, Ababa Pega, Abantwana?
Mina I have not only people Ababa Pega. If you can't be a star player in Soweto, Eputwin, like used to be crowd, and then Soweto all over in David on Sozongawe, is spread and stuff. You cannot be a star player at Kaizer Chiefs. Before they can scout you at Kaizer Chiefs. So all the players, meaning was in Jobang showing it, for example, Moscara. ngizoyenza i-example nangayo Shafula boSkabi. Those were star players. Nabo even uThabo kaGodfrey Mloyi. We all knew about uThabo thina se David Soweto. About ngikhuluma before they will scout a
Be a
team.
star at your community.
They will know where ukuthi then ungasukeleka ngana foundation and then you go all the way being a star player.
Sure.
And then it Kaizer Chiefs gonna have expectation, there's contract that you need to earn. You're competing against the best players. Obvious noma ngaba kusama best players psychologically kule brand kuyo. So ukuphendula, I think development at Kaizer Chiefs ngine-HIV enkulu ngabo since Farouk left. It's a big problem because njoba ngisho hayi ukuthi umfundi akanalo italent, including him umuntu hayi ukuthi akanalo. But umfundo ngiyena awulisingile mouth unali talent, he's got a natural gift, but people abeba naturally talent, wrong people. Angazi abo people even the scouting ngeke kwabanye except this mfundo guy kwabanye scouting problem. Whereby uyambona noma bamdevelopile his physical fit, i-condition uyambona umfana fit, is aggressive, but when it comes to talent uyambona ukuthi hayi la kuneskelem kunento eyenzekile. So they need to go back nalapho. So coming to a game nje yonke, there's so many ball position, like creativity, like individual brilliance. Ulabo mntu njengoba ngisho ngithi bekumele baphakamise izandla. I didn't see much of Uliep of ngikhuluma nga-first half. I didn't see much of
not to pray now.
the priest. I think they want to let him go. There's no way ukuthi ungajump ama-game ayi 3, 4, 5, 6 and then come whereby office uyazi ukuthi liyashisa officeini kunenkinga enkulu by supporters and then icala phela kuboard and then bakulahlela ngegame enjengale and bayenza ngokuthi priest sometimes they playing away angadlali la kubhetwe premiership ngikhuluma nge-Confederation Cup. It tells us ukuthi I think this guy they want to let him go if abaka decide like banengcondo ukuthi ngoba namhla i-deep end like check confident kamchitha mawungana confident you can be fit and then if you're not confident you're not gonna play. West Cape Town Stellenbosch bebamdlalisa between the two center back nge-speed behind athola abantu abakwazi kumphasa. Now they're playing as a wing which is you need to take somebody on mela combine mela cabange. It's going to be difficult. Udlalela away from Ipali. He's got a speed advantage kuye. Siyazi decision making was not proper developed, I will say. But bebakwazi kumdlalisa and his strength sakhe. So I think first half uTuba, Liepo, also Tipris, nobuya benyati nyamfaka. Because not much ngikhuluma nge-game ya first half. Also speak to mtu not much on the game. A lot of decisions wrong. Ngoba umtu uthasha ibhola more than everyone. Ngikhuluma nga first half. Cape Town City they were playing eafini yabo bona. Durban City eafini yabo. No combination play. Ngiyambona coach emphasize this thing with display, but technical very poor. How they turn, how they receive it ball, but receive my opponent. They're making a lot of back passes and they bafaka under pressure, not even wanting to go behind it defense Kaizer Chiefs. They don't have those 3 quality players that can go bigger.
As soon as they conceded, what changed with them at Durban City?
As kulmenga first second half, maba Chiefs I think yenza sub which is umfundo yesingale assist. Well done to, I think coach wenze a tactical change. Uthathe this guy Uliep Misa ku central lapha as a striker whereby uvele there was a cross wide receiver this boy umfundo and then he checks somebody on waleya le bola. Good first touch and good finish. After conceding uthatha Ashmin Timigos yamfaka. Because on a mountain to climb. And then uthatha this guy Thabo Notata play him also Mahlangu. Also the striker, the left-footed striker. Now Kaizer Chiefs they were under pressure. They were lucky not to concede good to be through. Honestly, last time minute
towards the end.
Towards clear-cut chances. I understand why bangafaka body. It was a goal. But well done to Chiefs. If I can be honest with you, I think first half in a pole position. Though second half not much of them. I didn't see much of them. And you can tell the body language a team a bit disjointed. But well done with Batole ama results. Njoba manje kunenkinga ezingaka. Actually, Lula, psychological obvious, they are very under pressure.
Sure.
And Obona supporter spectators, I think they decided, no, Tina, we're not going to go. Ngoba supporters, if they're not going to go. And then we cause low oazio and I'm fans are loyal, they were loyal on corner with Chiefs. Kune problem in Kula cool. And I can't blame fans, I will be honest. The team there now, you know them because of their star players. How they win in style. Players that they bring, they recruit. You understand? So it's unfortunately how the team plays now. Some fans, I think, no, Tina, nezidlalele bachithi. It's only lo naloyo othanda i-team ozoza azosibukela. So well deserved to, I think Chiefs they deserve i-reactivate i-Durban City. But the position yabo engithusile, I mean Durban City,
Yeah,
how
to
they
be
play.
where they are, definitely.
Yeah, especially how they play.
And it's a promoted team as well. It's
Yeah.
a team from a National First Division.
No, I can be honest to you, Chiefs ning into kumele silungise. I would not see, like, honestly, we need to give credit where it's due because they won 3 points. It's vital, but it is a lot of problem because
Yeah, just
you can't
before-
be under pressure.
Before we close it, I think there's 10 matches left for Chiefs, 10 or 11 matches, Betway. And that means we are stuck with these coaches, Abo Kazi. Do they give you any hope, Uguti, but they know what they're doing in terms of the players playing them in their best positions? Because it means we're going to be stuck with them. Ukeza Junior is saying they're not going to fire them until the end of the season. So what can the fans expect about London Chiefs? Uguti, these are the people, they're going to be there for 10 matches. This is a situation. And what kind of football are we going to see for the last 10 matches?
It was a wrong decision for them to be appointed first as One who's he came there just to interpret. You understand, to talk for Nazrin Nabi. Yabo, and it's a wrong to mean the coach now. I'm American will be happy. He was not coming in as a coach.
Yeah.
And then the other one was assistant coach. So what makes you good is gonna come with the different methods.
Sure.
You understand? Because he was lower than Nabi. Nabi was ahead
Sure.
of him. Yeah, Nabi go low. Why is I'm a coach? And West they under pressure. Why can't get rid of him? If Nambisu Kevin Anta we normally title whenever he 3 in a row, go super sport whereby you owing him, you let him go because of the pressure he's been mounting. Why is still holding this? I don't understand. These coaches they're not gonna change. And honestly, if they're gonna win, bazo win
It's going to be a tough 10 matches.
and it's dangerous just ukusho. When they were winning, everybody bekashaya izandla. And it was very difficult ukuthi abantu bayibone ukuthi when you win this way, bazokuthola you exposed. Pirates exposed them in 3. And then from there they were losing games. They were knock off go Champions League, go Confederation Cup. Players they brought as well. Senkhuluma except I'm a coach, angithi kunama department also coming to players. They not kulama game asele. It's going to be difficult because you can push them ubafake pressure. Do they have the quality now? Phela singakulimit push it to the limit. Equality now. So it's going to be difficult because each and every team that is playing against ubonile Pirates Zolo idlala draw, which is akusana game easy. It's the second round of the season. Now Durban City uyabona kuphi? You lose 3 games, 4 games, you find yourself go relegation zone. So it's going to be difficult, and honestly, they're still going to play Sundowns.
In Paris as well.
They're going to play Pirates. So Ngulego, there's no easy game. Unfortunately, it's going to be difficult. Kulama game la ngibadela wona. Yes, maybe they can win 1 or 2, 3, but it's going to be difficult. It's a mountain to climb. Psychologically, they're strong enough to win games now. And yeah, still those coaches, but and with the type of players that they have, it's going to be difficult. But well done for them.
Nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. There's 10 matches left for Kaizer Chiefs, if not 11. If you didn't enjoy today and the game against Richards Bay, that means you are going to suffer for the next remaining 11 games. I'm sure for Kaizer Chiefs fans and people will bet as long as they win, doesn't matter. But for those of us, it's our job to watch the full game and sit there. It's a very difficult watch. But well done to Chiefs. They definitely actually deserved over at Durban City to win this game. It is good times, also betting.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.